Today, let us see about the mesh, divide, multiple points, and array commands. These commands are found in the draw title bar. Just click on this down pointing arrow here. This arrow. As you can see, additional tools of the draw title bar are displayed. So let us click on this push pin icon here to make it sticky. So now let us start with the measure command. This one here. The measure command creates point objects or blocks at a measured interval along the length or perimeter of an object. A point object is a geometric object that is used as a marker. That is, it appears at every point that is marked. There are different styles and sizes of the point object. To access these point objects, type in the command window ddp type and then press enter. So let us type that command. Then press enter. As you can see, a dialog box appears with various point objects. From this dialog box, we can select any point object of your choice. For example, let us select this square and then click OK. So we'll select this square here and then click OK. Now draw a line and then select the measure command. So I'm going to draw a line from this point here up to this point. And then I'm going to select the measure command. After select the measure command, the command window prompts you to select the objects to measure. So let us select this line. After select the line, now you are prompted to specify the length of segment. So type in the value for the length of the segment that you want. In this case, let us just type 2 and press enter. So I'll type 2 and press enter. As you can see, the square point objects appear on the line at a distance of every 2 units. If you want to change the size of the point object, then you have to type again ddp type and then press enter to display the point object dialog box. So let us type again the ddp type, then press enter. Once you press enter, you can see that the dialog box is displayed here. The point style dialog box is displayed. So in this dialog box, go to the point size option, this one here, then change this value from 5, change it to 10. So type in 10 and then press enter. As you can see, the size of the point object just increased. Now set it back to its original size and then erase it. So I'm going to set it back to its original size. And then let us erase this. Now let us draw another line. And after you draw a line, you also have to draw a square. So I'll start by drawing a line here. From this point up to this point. And then I'll draw a square by using the rectangle command. After that, select the measure command and then select the line. So first select the measure command and then I'm going to select the line here. Now on the command window, there is a sub option called block. This option here. This option enables you to create any point object that you want and that which is not specified in the point object dialog box. So select the block option. And now the command window prompts you to enter the name of the block to insert. If you already have a block, type its name. In this case, I already have a block, so I'll type in the name of my block. So I'll type in power, and power is the name of my block. So I'm going to type it here. After that, click enter, and then after click enter, the command window inquires you whether to align the block with the object. So just select yes. After that, you also prompted to specify the length of the segment. In this case, just type 2 and then press enter. And as you can see, the point object is already created on the line. So as you can see, I marked this line by using a point object that is not specified in the point object dialog box. This circle was a block, so I used the block as a point object to mark this line. And now, if you don't have a block, you will have to create one. So let us draw another line here. After you draw the line, select the block option again. Now after select the block option, the command window prompts you to enter the name of the block to insert. So now, as I said, you don't have the block, so you have to create one. So in order to create a block, go to the block title bar, this one here. And from the block title bar, select the create option, this one here. After select the create option, you can see a block definition dialog box appears. So from this block definition dialog box, go straight to the object section, this section here. And from that section, select this option, the select object option. After select on that option, you are now prompted to select object. So now go select on this square here and then press enter. After that, the block definition dialog box appears again. Now let us type in a name for our block. In this case, I will name our block Ranger. So type in Ranger. After typing Ranger, now go to the base point section, this one here. And from that section, select the pick point option, this option here. After that, the command window prompts you to specify the insertion base point. I want to select the midpoint of this square. After that, block definition dialog box appears again. Now we don't have anything else to select from this dialog box, so simply click OK. After that, you have already created your block, so now let us use it. So first go to the measure command. After that, select the line, then select the block option. And now you are prompted to enter the name of the block, so type in Ranger. And then press enter. After that, the command window inquires you whether to align the block with object. Now again, type yes. And finally, you are prompted to specify the length of the segment. In this case, just type 2 and then press enter. And as you can see, the square block that we just created has been used as a point object to mark this line here. And that is all about the measure command. So let us run this. Now let us see about the divide command. The divide command allows you to create evenly spaced point objects or blocks along the length or perimeter of an object. So first, let us draw a circle here. Now select the divide command. After select the divide command, you can see that the command window prompts you to select objects to divide. In this case, I will select the circle. Again, after select the circle, the command window prompts you to enter the number of segments. So in this case, I'll type in 8 and then press enter. As you can see, the circle is divided into 8 segments, and that is the function of the divide command. So let us run this. Now let us go to the multiple point command, this one here. The multiple point command enables you to create a multiple point object at any point of your drawing. This command is not limited to some length. You can mark any point of your drawing. So to demonstrate how to use this, let us first draw a rectangle here. And now select the multiple point command. After select the multiple point command, you can see here that the command window prompts you to specify a point. Now select as many points as you want. As you can see, this command is not limited to a certain length. I can mark points as close as I want. You can also mark a point at any point of your drawing, just as you wish, like this. And when you are done, click the escape key to exit the command. Simply like that. And now let us run this. And now let us see about the ray command. The ray command creates a line that starts at a point and continues to infinity. So select the ray command, this one here. After select the ray command, the command window prompts you to specify the start point. So I'll select this point as the start point. After select the start point, again you can see the command window prompts you to specify the through point. Now just specify as many points as you can, like this. As you can see here, All the lines that I specify, they start from this common point and then they extended to infinity. And that is all about the ray command. Now suppose you want to draw a ray at a specified angle. Let us first select the ray command and then specify the start point. After that, type in the angle sign and then specify the angle value of your choice. In this case, I'll type in 45. Then press enter. As you can see, a ray line is drawn here at an angle 45. That is how you use the ray command. So let us select this.